Hello everyone, grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle the wrap and have a wrap band, touch top middle part of the tail and curl loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it, drop the entire tail into the parent's loop, making a hardened lump with the remaining section of the hair, split them into two equal sections along with the tail we have and have each section into 3 parts, have it braided and make it into a loopy braid and fold it and make it to a top section of the opposite side and have it in place by dropping little hairpins. Get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into the loop, make it a twister band. With the remaining section of the hair, the back split them into two equal sections and have the left section drop into the right loop and fold it to a half and move to the top left and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin through it and decorate your hairstyle even more further, dropping your favorite hairpin at the right side. Tie with the middle of the wrap and have a wrap band, touch the middle part of the tail, curl the loop in the middle and drop the tail into it. Have a few strands of hair from the section at the back and have it split into 3 parts and have it braided and combine both the braids together and drop the braid into the loop we created first and drop the entire loop into the parent's loop we created, have it as a heart in shape and drop the loop of braid around that. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into the loop, making a twister band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have it as a ponytail and have a wrap band, touch the middle part of the tail and bend the tail over to the top and have it stuck to the last loop of the wrap band and move the entire tail to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair cluster on top of the wrap and stretch the bun for volume. Go for a ponytail and split the tail into two equal parts and have a twister across each of them, making it into a thicker braid and do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the wrap band. Once when you've done that, roll the braid into a clockwise direction, making it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin at the side of it. Make a ponytail and move it to the top and have a beautiful hairpin attached to the bottom of the wrap band and move it to the top and secure it there. With the remaining tail we have apply some hair wax and comb it and have a wrap band attached to the middle part of it, bend the tail down, stuff it to the last loop of the wrap band and make it hidden behind the middle section and have a lump drop down by using a big black hairpin. Make a ponytail and hold it on top and have a big black hairpin attached to the bottom of it and bring the tail back and comb it a little bit and have a wrap band touch the middle part of the tail and bend the tip over, stuff it to the last loop of the wrap band, making it hidden underneath the middle section, then have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair cluster over the wrap band. Go for a ponytail and insert a very long bun maker behind the ponytail horizontally and twist the entire tail onto it, making it completely hidden and to make a singular braid. Then secure the end with the wrap band, then roll the ponytail into an anti-clockwise direction, making it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to its position at the top. This time insert a very long bun maker behind the ponytail vertically and twist the entire tail onto it, making it completely hidden and forming a singular braid and secure the end with the wrap band, then roll the braid into a clockwise direction, making it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to its side on its position. Go for a ponytail and straighten it down by using a simple bun maker all the way to the bottom and roll it and make it to the top and bend it down, forming a circle. Hide the excessive bun maker by extending the hair over that. Then to decorate your hairstyle more further, drop in your favorite hair bun over that. Make a bunch with the entire top section of the hair and straighten the tail down by using a very simple bun maker and roll it outwards and make it to the top and have it in place by bending it down, forming a circle, and drop in your favorite hair cluster at the side of it. If you want, you can create a loopy bun as well. Once again, make a bunch with the entire top section of the hair and insert a very long bun maker behind the bunch vertically and twist the entire tail onto it, making it completely hidden and forming a singular braid and secure the end with the wrap band. And once when you complete that, roll the braid into a clockwise direction, making it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to the downwards. Thank you everyone for watching this video.